Hey all, I'm coming to you today. It's Friday the 21st, and I have an update for you, and it ain't good. I'm scheduled to leave day after tomorrow, Sunday. I have the boat squared away, the shanty. I have everything put up where it needs to be for the trip over to Hannibal. The water is perfect. But in the last 48 hours, there's been some events that has come up that is beyond my control. And I am frantically trying to work them out so I can get ready and leave. Unfortunately, it may not be day after tomorrow. It's just beyond my control. I can't go into detail about it right now, but I will tell you all about it out on the river. I guess I have until there's ice on the river, and I do plan on leaving, but I have to take care of this one matter, and again, it's out of my control. I'm hoping I can get out of here by at least the 1st of October, out of Hannibal. Brenton, Backwaters, Brenton, he's going to be leaving around October 1st. I'm hoping to meet up with him. There's another gentleman out of Pennsylvania that's leaving too. I'm hoping to meet up with him too. But again, there's something that has come up that is beyond my control. I have to deal with it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And as soon as it's all over with, we'll head to the river. I want to thank you guys for staying with me, and I want to thank all the new subscribers that has come on. It's just blown up here lately between myself and Eric and Brenton and the Wayne's Diaries and Al T out in Pennsylvania. And it's pretty cool that there's a community coming together that wants to do this shanty experience. And I just want to thank all the new subscribers and all the people that's been commenting on my channel and encouraging me, and I absolutely love it. But I'm so disappointed that things has come up that has delayed my trip. Stay tuned, and we'll get back with you. Thanks, y'all.